Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what's up, all the gang? So today I'm going to be doing this skit that I ordered one slime, and it's not really the slime I ordered, and basically they have the same glitter. Because I was playing with that slime actually, but I'm just gonna pretend that I ordered the same glitter kind. So let's get on with the video. Let's get it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be revealing this slime that I've ordered. It's actually only one slime because it was actually kind of expensive. It was like $10 and I only had basically exactly $10. So I was actually gonna order two, except I didn't have enough. But yeah, and I have this glitter. I was putting my other slime, and I ordered the same glitter, so it's gonna be real pretty. Okay, let's get on with the video. And this basically is I have hearts and there's hearts. Isn't that cool? And the only thing, and I already noticed some stuff that are wrong. It's broken, and someone wrote on it. So, and here's a slime. You can tell. Hello, but someone has been playing with it because it's not smooth. But let's poke. Alright, I think they added Play-Doh because it doesn't stretch. Because that's what happened to my slime before, and I added Play-Doh, and it's actually like pretty sticky. Except it doesn't really stick. Let me see if it clicks. Oh, I can't. Let me just put it on the drawn plate thingy and put it in the front. Just get a little piece. Oh dang. It's actually pretty heavy actually. Like small slime. I'm gonna, why is it so big and sticky? So I'm gonna put that slime there. We're gonna see if it clicks. Oh my god, it has like slime on it. So you can see it got glitter on it. That's how sticky it is. Disgusting. I don't like this slime because you could see that Play-Doh. Like, it's obviously Play-Doh because I know how Play-Doh is and it feels like it, basically. I feel like there's green. Yeah, it made this color actually. When I was playing with my Play-Doh, I only had yellow, green, red, and blue. And I mixed it with my slime. It was actually a purple slime. And I mixed it and it made this color, yeah. I can't believe they mixed red, yellow, blue, and green. And I can't believe they did mix it because I like it stretchy. So maybe I could add some lotion or something else that I add to make it stretchy. That I might add lotion, but you guys make sure when you add lotion to add not that much because it makes it sticky. And yeah, oh my god, this side is so disgusting. Like, it feels so slobbery. Oh my god. You guys should seriously see the bottom. Oh my god, I'm gonna take this whole slime out. That is crazy. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Like, if you were to eat this and you made this much slime, you would have so much trouble. This slime is just disgusting, like, disturbing. I need 2 containers because I'm about to make a huge slime. And I might make a video on another slime. Comment down below if you want me to make more videos like this, or more videos on slime or how to make it. Or comment down below how to make other ways to make slime. Other ways to make slime without borax and glue. Okay. I'm trying to do a swirl. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work because it's like a big slime. Oh, it worked before. There. There's a swirl. Swirl. It's like so heavy. I can't even hold the container properly. I can't. It's just too hard. It's just like disgusting. Just you know, I got a pedicure too. Well, I painted my nails, and it counts as a pedicure to me. And they're getting ruined. I don't know. I have to look into the light because it's just disgusting. Look at this. Comment down below if you like my tattoo. It's like a flower. It's not a flower. Yeah, comment down below if you like it. A tattoo. And it doesn't really poke. Like, that's the sad part. It doesn't poke. Who wants a slime that doesn't poke? Not me. I love slimes that can poke and make bubbles. I mean, it could sort of poke, but not really. This is such a terrible slime. Whoever made this, or I forgot who sent it to me, you suck at this because I don't know why. Basically, you scammed me. And I actually remember who it is. Let me just go check real quick. Okay, yeah. So it is Kawaii Shop Slime. Kawaii, I don't know why, but they use Kawaii for squishies, but I don't know why she has Kawaii. I think she has another account. Yeah, she has another. It's like favorite slime collection. And then the caption on one of the things, it says buy now. And this is a slime that said buy now. And I make sure you guys go check her out. And go see her slimes, but don't buy any. Just she has sometimes tutorials how to make them, but make sure they actually work out the tutorials. But make sure you never buy the slime though, because they will turn out like this. And I actually bought all her slimes, and they all turned out like this. It was kind of disgusting. That's why I only had one. Now I threw all of them away. Oh, I actually made a slime smoothie with them. Then it turned out disgusting. Then I almost threw it away, actually. But some of it went in the trash because it went on a napkin. This is just disgusting. Make sure to never, ever buy her slimes. She was actually supposed to do something for me, but, yeah. Make sure to never buy her. Because she sucks. She will never give you the right slime that you want. Oh my god, this is so sad. So I could prank someone with this. Like if they have a phone like that. Ooh, I know who has this type of phone. I know who has this type of phone. This phone doesn't. It works. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Alright guys, I hope you liked my skit. Comment down below if you want me to prank my brother's friend, because his name's blah. I don't want to say his name, but he has this type of phone, and I can just put it over. Look, it looks so realistic. Watch this. Go this way. Leave there. Try to put glitter, and just do this. Look, it looks so realistic. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed this sketch. Comment down below if you want me to do more slime videos, how to make slime, or if you want me to do more skits. And also, I told you to comment down below different ways to make slime without borax and glue. If they try it out, and if they don't work, just send it to me still. And also, send me stuff on, sorry. And I also really want to meet you guys, but I can't, fortunately. But I will. I can't tell you my street because it's personal. But I might give you a little peek. Ma, where do we live? Mama's probably asleep, but I wish I could meet you guys. You could just come at my door. I really don't mind. I really don't care. But yeah. Peace out, guys.